Out here checking trail cameras. Figured I'd do a little bit of an update on the food plots that we put in a couple weeks ago. As you can see, we are not getting any growth in this field. In fact, you can still see the seed. It's just been a dry 2 weeks. We haven't got a drop of rain since we planted the fields. Kind of disappointing, but Mother Nature, what can you do? Okay, so here's the other field. It's doing about the same. This one holds moisture a little better, so it's got some good drainage off that hillside. And we got some brassicas coming up, winter wheat. It's not as good as it should be after 2 weeks, but it's also 2 weeks with no rain. Like, there's some winter wheat. It's trying to grow. It's just been an incredibly dry last couple weeks. Once it rains, I'll give you another update. This field should really take off. It'll be good for November firearms portion. Now it's time for the worst part of the weekend. Time to lock up and go home. It's never long enough down here. Here's what we did yesterday on the tractor. This will be getting a kind of a frame-in engine rebuild on it. She's bypassing so much oil she won't even run anymore. So there'll be a whole series of videos with this one. We've never done it before, so it should be interesting. Shut everything off and head north.